Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel, and in today's training we're gonna do a home ladder workout. In this workout we're gonna do it in 8 rounds and it's a Tabata guys. So Tabata muna tayo. Dito lang tayo sa bahay as usual. Sa equipment naman kailangan nyo lang na may ladder. Kasi wala akong ladder. Nag-improvise lang ako guys. Mag-improvise din kayo, pwede kayong gumawa ng ladder. Pero parang di nyo makikita. Doon pala ito. Yeah. I used a crayon, pastel crayon, and di naman yun sa akin, kaya ginawa ko na lang, kinuha ko na lang, tsaka nag-draw ako. Ang benefit sa agility training na to guys is para bumilis ang mga paa mo. The faster you go, the more effective you will do, or the more your body or your muscles would cope up with how you want to do with your brain. Kind of like science. Buot ko basta. In Bisaya, the more ka na paspas sa imong utok, dapat po cope up po di mong lawas sa kapaspas. So hindi pwede na mabilis ang utak mo, sa utak mo lang mabilis. Hindi yung katawan mo naman hindi mabilis. So then prone yun. Para di tayo prone sa accident or injuries. Let's do this training, 6 workouts and all. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like to my channel and let's start. Tapos na pala ako mag-stretching. So bago ako magsimula guys, ito palang unang gagawin natin sa 6 na training na gagawin. Okay, first thing you need to do is this one. Second is this. Third will be this. Fourth will be that. Five will be this one. And the last one, the 6th, is this. So do that guys with 8 rounds and 20 seconds. 20 seconds each workout, 10 seconds for a rest. So yeah, that's Tabata. So let's do the Tabata now. Good luck.
Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drumming around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Cause you got me holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes sound funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost some money.
So guys, done with the 8 rounds of the home agility ladder workout or training. And if you like the video, just comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe the video. And if you would like to do another set, because that's only one set, maybe 3 sets all in all, feel free to do it. As long as your endurance or stamina can handle it, it's fine. So bye.